Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: LED headlights, Bose sound system, traction control, navigation system, power liftgate, power passenger seat, heated seats, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, heated steering wheel, security system, CD player, rear window defroster, fog lights, trip computer, heated front seats, power windows. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.